Thank you very much, moderator. And I think it's fair that we stick to the time, especially the people of Kenya, because we are the one who's spoken more. Maybe because we are many, and we want to thank everybody who made it to this particular dialogue and this particular summit, and give our position as parliamentarians from Kenya that we support the Nairobi Declaration that has been made today. And I would want to say, just as our speaker, the Right Honorable Speaker Moses Wetangula said, the 23 billion that has been committed from governments and partners, $23 billion that has been committed to this particular declaration, then it is apparent that members of parliament will have to play a very major role in it. Otherwise, it will become just a declaration if we do not follow resources with that kind of a declaration. Honorable moderator, again from the Kenyan delegation, we feel that making the event biannual gives us an opportunity to take stock of what we have been able to achieve over the years, so that we are able to follow up and see and understand exactly why, how far we've gone in implementation of the declaration. Honorable Speaker, Honorable moderator, we are again very, very encouraged, and we want to take it that we shall continue urging that the loss and damage that was loss and damage fund is actually that was agreed upon in the COP27, because as we have all agreed, the people who are feeling this pinch more are the African people. So we feel that they should be actualized. Finally, Honorable moderator, there's something that has come out very, very clearly in the declaration: the implementation of the African Union biodiversity and strategy and action plan. Because what we have been facing over the years, and I think one of the speakers has mentioned, Honorable moderator, we make very many declarations, but we do not follow to see how far we have achieved of those declarations. We have very good, we have a very good document from the AU. And if you do not follow on implementing that action plan, Honorable moderator, we might find ourselves doing as many declarations and doing very, very little to it, Mr. Moderator. So finally, I would want to make that commitment, just as our brother from South Sudan has requested, because it is in the declaration, and please allow me in under 1 minute to mention that it is in the declaration that we increase the Africa's share in the carbon markets. If then we have to get that right, we have to get legislations right, and that is our preserve.
Thank you very much. I can assure you that we will continue to have this dialogue. When we started conceptualizing this dialogue and writing the proposal, we were not sure whether we were going to be successful. But through hard work and cooperation from our partners, I'm sure in due course we will acknowledge them. Here we are having this dialogue as part of the summit. And this is something that must continue and maybe going on with